guys are looking for a 4-bedroom, 2-story home with all the bedrooms upstairs, we've got one for you today. We're hanging out at Firethorn and we are looking at the M model home. Alright, so here's the outside of the home, and before we go in, I just wanted to point out the little porch area that you do get with this property, which is really nice to have that covered, shaded area. Now, when you come into the you've got a half bath right over here along with the garage door access. Again, you've got an open concept with the gathering area, the dining, and the kitchen all in one great big room. Remember, again, no bedrooms are on this floor. Here is the living area. I really like how the light comes in, and it's just a nice space to relax in. Here's a closer look at the kitchen. There's a lot of counter space. This model actually has granite. This is not usually done in the models. Got a lot of drawers, gas oven, stove, and lots of storage. Here's the dining area right off the kitchen, which would be perfect for your family gatherings. Off the kitchen, they put this little cute little nook area to hang up your bags and put your shoes. Then you've got a big, large pantry closet over here, and then also access to the garage. So upstairs, we've got 4 bedrooms and the laundry room and 2 baths. So let's go check it out. All right, so when you come upstairs, you've got this nice little loft area. You're gonna have 3 bedrooms over that way, and then over this way is the master, which is kind of separated from the rest of the bedrooms. Here is bedroom 1. The other way, so you can see the closet. All do share this bath right here. It's just one vanity, but it does have this extra long counter space, which is nice. Again, no drawers, but you do have 2 cabinets, and there's actually a full tub in here, full shower and tub. Bedroom 2. So they've got a pretty big bed in here. You might be able to change the layout a little bit and get a dresser in here. And bedroom 3. So 2 smaller bedrooms and 1 larger bedroom. This one's so cute. I do really like how they designed this one. Again, no dresser, but they did use a larger end tables over there. So now on this side is the master bedroom and the laundry room. Here's your laundry room. They've got some shelves over there, and that closet right there is your air handler. Here's the master bedroom. Again, it's not too big, but definitely big enough. They put a little chair and table over there in the corner. Here's the bathroom with double vanity sinks. There's a shower over here. I'll show you in a minute. The potty, and then you've got your closet area. Here's the shower I was telling you about. All right, guys, that was the over here at Firethorn by Taylor Morris. If you guys have questions about this property or any development here in Parrish, give us a call. It's Amy and Tom with Keys to the Coast Real Estate. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.